Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Word 2A and 2B simulation exam. So open the Word 2A and 2B simulation exam. So if you want to complete my MylTLab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So if you want to complete assignments or exams, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. So open the Word 2A and 2B simulation exams. So click the launch. So open the exam and open the Word 2A and 2B simulation exam. So total question is 20 and attempt remaining is 3. So move to the question number 1. So question number 1 is insert a 2 column 6 row table into the document. So go to the insert tab. So insert the 2 column and 6 row. So go to the table groups and click the tables. So insert the table is a number of column 2 and 6 row. 6 row and click OK. So insert the table and we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is in the first cell of the first row type the career objective and press down arrow. So first cell and first row. So select the first row, second row, third, fourth, fifth and sixth row. Total 6 row and type the first row, first cell in the first row, type the career. So type the career and objective. Career objective and press the down arrow. And next is in the first cell of the second row, type the clinically experience. So in the first cell of the second row is type the clinically experience. And press tab button. So question number 2 is complete. We move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is click to place the insertion point in the second cells in the second column and then insert the text from the file 2A jobs in the document folder. So click or place in the insertion point to the second cell, second column. So first cell and second cell, second column and insert the text from the file to a job in the document folder. So go to the insert tabs and next is go to the text groups and click the text from a files and next is and then insert the text from a file to a jobs in the document. So click the to a job and click the insert. So insert the text from a file and next is press backspace one time to remove the blank line at the end of the inserted. So press the backspace. So question number 3 is complete. We move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is, in the second row of the table, format the paragraph beginning with the text monitors and then treat and ending with the text and season, promoting wellness to be bulleted list with the default round bullets. In the second row of the tables, so second row of the table, format the paragraph beginning with the text monitor and treat and ending with the text and season, promoting wellness to be bulleted list with the default round bullets. So promoting text the season, promoting wellness. So find the season promoting wellness and beginning with the text monitor and treat. So monitor and treat, monitor and treat, and ending with the season promoting and bulleted list with the round bullet list. So select the text and so select the text monitor and treat student health and maintenance, and next is, so go to the home tabs and bulleted list is the round bullet list. So click the bullets and click the round bullets. So select the text and go to the home tabs and click the paragraph groups and bullet is to round bullet. So question number 4 is complete. We move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is, display the layout tab, click the first cell of the tables and then click and drag the right boundary of the first column 2-inch marks and horizontally rulers. So go to the layout tabs and click the first cell of the tables, and click and drag the right boundary in the first column 2-inch mark on the horizontal ruler. So select the first cell of the tables and click the move and drag 2 inches, and next is, using the table with the box, adjust the width of first column to 1.75. So using the table column with this width of the first column to 1.75. So go to the layout tabs, go to the cell size groups and table column with this 1.75, press enter, and next is auto fit the table to the window. So click the auto fit window. So question number 5 is complete. We move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is, by using the one click row column insertion and new row above the row containing clinically experience. By using the one click row row and column insertion, new row clinically experience, click row and add the new above the row containing. So click the insert the above row. So question number 6 is complete. We move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is add the row above the first row of the table. So select the first row, add the row above the first row of the table. So insert the above. So add the new row is insert the above row first row. Next is my cell is the first row of the table. So select the first row of the tables is the my cell. So go to the layout tabs and go to the merge groups and click the my cell. So question number 7 is complete. We move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is in the third line of the my cell in the first row, set a right tab at that 5.5-inch mark on the horizontal ruler. So in the third line of the merge cell in the first row and set the right tab at the 5.5 inches. In the third line of the marshal in the first row and first row write the tab at the 5.5 inches and marks on the horizontal ruler. So select the in the third line of the merge cell in the first row write tabs at the 5.5 inch on the horizontal ruler. So go to the home tab and go to the paragraph groups. So open the paragraph groups and click the tabs and tab stop position is 5.5 inch. So 5.5 inch and right horizontally. So click the right and click the set and click OK. Next is in the third line of the first row type the 203, 505 and 6954. Press Ctrl tab and then type the Gmail control tabs and does not reposition. Insert the position browser and please click keyboards and then bottom right simulation window and using the screen control tab on the go. So type the first row 203, 505 and 69. Type the 69, 54 and press the control tab and type the Gmail. Type the Gmail. So question number 8 is complete. We move to the question number 9. So question number 9 is in the first row of the table and select the name is to Sarah and apply the bold formatting to selected the text and change the font size to 16. In the first row of the table is to the Sarah and and next is apply the bold. So go to the home tabs, go to the font groups and click the bold, and formatting to selected and change the font size to 16. So go to the font groups and click the font size to 16. Next is in the first line of the text is the first row, changing the spacing after 6 point. So in the first line of the text in the first row and change the spacing after to 6 point. So go to the home tabs and go to the paragraph group. So open the paragraph dialog box and first line of the text in the first row. So first line of the text in the first line of the text in the first row and changing the spacing after to 6 point. So changing the spacing to 6 point and click OK. So question number 9 is complete. We move to the question number 10. So question number 10 is remove all border from the table. So remove all borders from the tables. So go to the home tabs and remove all border from the tables. So go to the home tabs and go to the home tabs and remove all borders. So click the borders is no borders. So click the no border. So remove all border from the table. So go to the table design tabs and go to the layout tabs and from the table, so select the all tables, select the tables, and next is remove all border from the table. So go to the table design tabs and click the borders is no border. Next is with the entire table selected and apply the box border to the table using the double line style is the 7 style. So with the entire table selected, so select the table and apply the box. So go to the table design tabs and next is click the border and click the border and shadings. So open the border and shading dialog box, apply the box border. So go to the page borders, so click the borders and select the box borders, and next is to the table using the double line style is the 7 style. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 styles and click OK. So question number 10 is complete. We move to the question number 11. So question number 11 is in the first row of the table, click the anywhere in the text Sarah RN and from the layout tabs and 18 spacing before. So select the Sarah in the first row of the tables and click anywhere. So go to the layout tabs and add the PTS spacing 18 point. So click the anywhere and go to the layout tabs and 18s. So go to the layout tabs and paragraph spacing. Add the after spacing, sorry, before spacing is 18. So before spacing is 18. So go to the layout tabs and go to the layout tabs and before spacing is 18. Before spacing is 18. So question number 11 is complete. We move to the question number 12. So question number 12 is, as the first paragraph, type the Sarah Bulters and then press enter and type the 416 Savard Race and Stanford City and then insert the menu line breaks, hold and shift downs and press enter and type the Gmail and then press enter. So first paragraph, type the Sarah Butler and type the comma and press enter. Next is type the 416 Xavier and Paris. Type the comma and stamp form. Type the comma and city. And then insert the menu line breaks, hold shift and press buttons, press enter, hold and so shift press enter. And next is type the 203 and close bracket and 505 69 and 54 sub butler at the rate of and Alicona dot net and press enter. Next is apply the bold text to the Butler RN. So select the text Sarah Butler RN is apply the bold. So go to the home tabs, go to the font groups and click the bold. And next is select two lines that from the second paragraph and apply the bold. So select the two line from the second paragraph and apply the bold. So go to the home tab and click the bold. So select the both line. Go to the home tab and click the bold. And next is select the text Sarah Butler and change the font size to the 16. So go to the home tabs and go to the font groups and click the 16. And next is Select the two lines that form the second paragraph and change the font size to 12. So select the two lines second paragraph and change the font size to the 12. Change the second paragraph, two line is the second paragraph and the font size to 12. And next is to the two line paragraph that contain the home address is the telephone number and email address supply the aligned right. So go to the home tabs and go to the paragraph group and click the aligned right. So question number 12 is complete. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my MylTLab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you are 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam.